7 minutes past 8, Notorious B.I.G., Lil Kim.
It's hot, eh?
No, I can.
Honorable member.
It's all about the Benjamins. It's KFM 95.9, home
Honorable
of the
member.
Afropolitan. This is 180 with Bob.
Honorable
www.kfm.co.za
member.
is where you get everything.
Honorable
that you need about
member.
K. There's the Back to the Old School concert coming up.
Honorable member.
Okay, of course, as you know, it's on Saturday, the 27th of February, and the venue details will be confirmed.
Honorable
They
member.
have been. General access is 250 Mkaya.
Yeah.
Back to Old School VIP lounge package is 650
Honorable member.
per person. Package entitles a guest to
But you
on-field
can't continue
VIP.
like this. You can't continue like this.
Honorable Skumba.
Honorable member.
This is not
Can
how
I
we
just be
conduct
recognized? Can I just be recognized? Recognize me, then I will sit down.
Honorable Skumba, we've got some work to do if it's okay with you. Can we do that? Is it fine?
Yeah, but the business of the day is that this hour is mine. Can I just get that out of the way?
Entrance tickets into
Honorable member.
entrance into Back to the Old School VIP, private shoot entrance, VIP luxury lounge and decor, private bespoke cash bar facility, private toilet and bathroom facility,
Honorable.
fully staffed facility including dedicated waitresses, hostesses, bar staff and senior management. This is the Back to Old School VIP lounge package for 650.
It's a global celebration, rather, of house
We
music.
can't
Some of the-
celebrate when this thing is going on, Honorable.
Honorable Skumba, if you could continue.
Last night,
Jesse B, Todd Terry, David Morales, Roger Sanchez. They're going to be rocking your life on the Saturday, the 27th of February.
Yeah, but the bottom line is that people eat money, Honorable. Can you just continue the business of the day? How? Roger Sanchez.
I take it you were watching last night.
Those guys don't care about the president. They don't care. The president's like, Hector Peterson, Dubula. Honorable. I'm Kuka. The first two paragraphs of the Sona were about what happened in 1976. People woke up in the morning and they shot us, Honorable. Hector Peterson, no one heard what the president was saying in the first two paragraphs. What cares, Hector? What uniform yard? Honorable member, honorable. Bam tubula. Nizwile. No Mandela bam tubula. Stand up. Honorable. Mandela phuma viva, but honorable member. Siyazi Mandela phumile mara honorable. Baba umzulu sokumilati. Angozuthini.
Yes. I remember that moment.
yes.
Angozuthini. Can you please sit down? Angozuthini. Ngavota. Phethi ID yami mbashile. Ngusoma mbashile. Honorable Mbatha, please sit down. Ungibiza ngesithakazelo vele. Him lawyer. Sotoba omkhulu. Hey, Lekhandre. Yeah, honorable. Lalela, this hour, I don't care what guys say. You can do a traffic in Pangel. Yeah. Honorable. Oh, hlala phansi Mbatha. Hey, abamkhoza amazulu. Mbatha. Angizwa nithini. Honorable honor. Umalume khumula ngala Gauteng asukuma.
Shame.
Bakhumula ngala shiti lakhe shema. Uzumuhambe nefrowe wrong eParliament. Uzumuhambe nefrowe wrong. Ubana mfazi wami nasimazi akekho umuntu omaziyo ushaka egoyego le ngathi makavela bathi nangu Zane.
We asked him for the bond. He never brought it. The public protector asked him for the bond. To this day, he has not brought it. He must resign.
KFM 95.9. And then there was this. I don't know if you...
Honorable. Honor.
You're out of order, Metandi. You're out of order.
You're out of order now.
You're out of order because you cannot expel people for speaking in this house. We're not going to allow that. This is so undemocratic. These
Honorable
people, national chairperson, they listened to you and they went to sit down. Now you just call them from Norway. It's incorrect. It's unacceptable. There's nothing that Zuma deserves from us in a form of a respect.
This chamber.
Zuma is no longer a president that deserves a respect from anyone.
And then umuntu okhulumayo ke uthole iwoodwork ne-GG. No rivari. Woodwork GG. Izolo. No respect akana bank stool. No respect. Indlela icela amaplanka. No respect.
No one is saying.
If Julius amaplanka. No respect. Aina freezer. In a fan. No respect. Honorable. You know what was funny yesterday? It was umsiwa lekota.
Yo.
La baba siyasonga ukuthi uhlushwa membership. Asukuma i1. Ukhuluma into eyela le. Bathi Mr. Lekota, Honorable Lekota, sizokuxosha wathi akunataba. Ngiqoshe ngilithabona. Sicabanga ukuthi mhlambe lento izo last 3 minutes 22 seconds. I-cope beyiphume yonke.
We asked him for the bond. He never brought it. The public protector asked him for the bond. To this day, he has not brought it. He must resign.
Yizo. Masuka lapho bafaka i-security. Sacabanga ukuthi yosukuba ihalf ye-parliament. Asukuma yena nombazi mashilawa. Ngamasokisa orange athi no matter hamban. No matter transport. Angithi yazi EFF ukuze iCope ayina transport ihamba ngeventure. Phela iCope ayina presidential transport ama Iveco nama blue lights. Bamba ngeventure udriver wabo bekangekho. Bakhisho umuntu oyi1 eParliament. Mara over wathi hey. Wozani. Umsolo kodwa wathi ubisa nina. Zani. Okuwes ugodi. Baba lo oPAC. Yasukuma akasazi story sakhe. Sorry, Honorable, but you're still on which order? Yeah, on the order of the president. 500 billion gone. Gone. But what is your point of order? Gone. But Honorable Kodi, please sit down. Oh, okay. Ngoba yazi ngathi PAC iphume. Yophuma umuntu oyi1, omunye idwarf. Wow. Omunye uhleli ku wheelchair. Kodi uribula isile manje. Kodi what? Kodi hlala phansi wathi yeah. Kodi itsonga wathi hlala phansi bela me. Nikombela sit down.
Dear Kosinko and Kaya FM, 8:24. Thinking about you.
Yima ngotiyo, order. Yamazi tiyo na ngamabruka tight. Thank you, but yeah. And mafaka ibruka tight. Fanaka ube nempahlana. Utiyo dololo.
So unnecessary.
Utiyo dololo. Ngambona escaping. I've been thinking. Afaka impahla ngathi bona la se crash. Running back. Yamazi tiyo nayi. Manipula ngahlanga straight. Ngathi ujayiva too much amanipula ngathi. But me thinking but Pero unhlanhla makabela kumafika izolo bekazwela utiyo obuhlungu uthangeke akana lutho ibruku lithight phela lokumbheka uthi yes phela mina na mvakeli masafaka amabruku tight umuntu uyazi voice yakhe ngeke kube na voice engaka bese kuba ne raisin wena Shane Ngwenya niphiwe nine microphone endaweni ayisile yamazi Shane manje yes sir sitting in for the best tea was a whoop kunentelenga yes Shane Ngwenya yes boo uzomuza ngo9 uyakena ngo9 ngithi Sifano Katlego vandag Mr Mazaza akaboni akhubela namazaza uKatlego ngabiza radio station wrong la Kimutswering FM Reduce Mutswering order
But it's kind of
ya uyangena ebusuthini uyangena kancane ubusuthi ngiyabazi ama-specs mawehla unkahleko ngathi vele khuluma isisuthu usawuphambisa yes it is it is Kaya mara mawehla ama-specs yeah what's about it sebela zokia mo tswele ngafela rizike mo hey Kaya
We realize that Zuma has lost his credibility and legitimacy as a president of the Republic of South Africa. Therefore, you cannot agree to be addressed by a criminal which has admitted that he's a thug, he has stolen money and is now prepared to pay back that money. We are not part of that mess.
washo ke uyofuna by president yethu lokhulumayo ke GG singasuka ku president enosona 3 siye kune ene woodwork sicela my money siyazicela Barack my money yamazi Barack my money unokuthula ababheke abamusi my money babacosha babacosha abalo umusile kodwa mara bekubhlungu babacosha ulikota ngathi ulikota lebeka phethe umbrella uMandela makaphuma ejele bathi itswa ophuma ibruko ncane andikhopa ibabhadala phela ikhopa inemali lokubaleka istipend manje stipend abama 1.3 nekipa balokuthi nasi ikipa ziyi10 ubona makunikipa ziyi10 uba hey but yonyo kanjani mamcosha umusi welikota umbaze osholo azanga shanings ngala makasa orange bathi sukuman cope ahlala phansi but nawe wena umlomo omkhulu wena yazi bathi wena wena umlomo kambazi bashilo ukambona umlomo le baba ngathi chupa asukuma la baba ngamakausa ka orange lasukuma ivenda kwama avocado no mbona avocado mabanana akakhuluma ngala baba makaphomoza hamba kahle mkhonto yinto esimazi ngayo umlomo le ukubona umlomo kambazi mahlolo ngathi school shoes yazi Tafis umlomo kambazi mahlolo shithi mohlanganisa umlomo kambaziwa islevu saka la mntwana nentsumpa yala buthi ikhombo isikhaftini somntwana for the whole year kitso limusiwa izwa kitso no but hamba manje ubona kambete kale FM iloku yehlujela honorable phumani usho mina uMandela bekangazi but asinandaba phuma kanti baseza kulaba amabherete ngiyeza kubo labo
What did he say when he was leaving?
Oh, his final words.
Kitso no
When you come back, you're not going to be president. No, that was Julius.
yeah Zuma mani usalayo uyibonile ifont kababa yokufunda ubaba ufunda ngefont ubaba ufunda nge A E I O ubaba ufunda ngayo yonke into ekhona kule font ifont megcina ngo72 ubaba uno77 ubaba akaboni udede akaboni ipage li1 lamagaba yi3 afternoon page 1
Hashtag 180 shuffle. That's how you tweet us if you want to have your track played. Louis Vega featuring Byron Stingley, Ain't No Stoppin' Love. Nomvula, there it is. Hope you enjoyed it.
I like it.
Why do you have a problem with Nomvula?
She
You know
looks
who I
beautiful.
saw?
She was wearing Tula Cindy, the Minister of Water and Sanitation. She looked absolutely fantastic.
Yes.
She's lost weight. She
But-
looks great.
Mandla
Mandla Mandela.
bekazigqokile irogo lakhe
Amabhadada.
ugqoke lale qala zingidinayo lezi umuntu athi ngizofaka iboots mara lempopo
Got the Crocs.
Gladiators. man.
mara thula umacancela hayi La mama bathi sicela ukuqasha okay. Ukuqoshisa. Uqashe, uqoshisa. Afake linye benza ama signals.
Hey.
Iweave phansi. Alokahlela Aloka bekuzuma ngale font yakhe 17. Funda biology funda. Wabiza inumber wrong ubaba futhi izolo. Ngoba ngathi asizwa ngathi angazi utheni ngizothi megawatt.
Even people in parliament were like, "Hey."
Yeah.
But sorry. Sibona mangosela sorry. Ameka uthi umlilo. Ungavutha. Why mangosuthu bekasukuma izolo? Mangosuthu bekasukumelani. Mangosuthu zange mamthembi sibuze ngiqosha mangosuthu. Mangosuthu kuba president for 2 days.
Why invade Lesotho?
He started there.
Umandela kekho. Vice president udeclare kekho. But Mangosuthu ungakhona ukubamba for 2 days. Athi bokuyini. Amana ngamabili bokuyini. Uzuma uMandela uzele France udeclare use Germany uma usula Lesotho phuma. Suzlan phuma. Mandela yabuya la why are my people?
It's time for traffic.
Izolo sukumile. Ebochayi lo ufaka ibochayi.
Yari polka dot.
Anatali bochayi.
Vangeli, can we do traffic, please?
Asho bantwana. Umaliba la yasukuma neyihlathi. Honorable, honor. Umntaka balo umsuthu, abasuthu. Enhlizwe ngaba ngosuthu, abasuthu behlupha. Ingani bangafe ngoba.
Honorable Vangeli, can we find out what's happening in traffic, please? Honorable Skumba. Honorable Skumba. We have not recognized you.
No traffic. Collagen. N1 kubi. Yasondeli. Kunezu lake. N1. Ingani umsholozi angavela ayehle. Baba why president for 2 days Joe. Yizo uMangosuthu why president for 2 days kule. Waqosha iSotho, waqosha iSwaziland, wabheka letho sebuphutha tswa le buso ngathi ishit yaba lo baba. Wala mangophe
Batho bami.
ya umophe wasukuma wathi batho bami. Umandela buyajela athi Baril msadi waka Aya skolo. Mary, stand up. Mary wahlala phansi. Mary, sit down. Mary wasukuma. Akina ubusa kilipantini. Akina ubusa kilipantini. Omandela athi Akaya. Hana hlupha beSotho. Uma ngoSotho. Umfowethu athi ubalosho. Namazi mangopuna ubuso ngathi umangelo ngathi uzothi Ipapa lamleli.
KFM 95.9, 46 minutes past 8. It's almost time for us to wrap it. And then from 9, of course, the best he served. Served by Shane this morning.
Wenya.
Right.
Yes.
Skumba is still in the
Shane
building.
whenever he said take for no reason. Now must tell us yes. Hey, toilet paper. Wow.
Unoba tango toilet le.
You flush on my.
What did he?
Hey, you flush on your what? Shane no for a sound effect for no reason. Yeah, he flushing. What da.
Sweetie pie.
Sisibano kahle ngomnane upapa uthola umntwana namhlanje.
Oh, yes.
Eyombamba athi yo i-first born but Ubaba bamntwana. Ubaba ejele incosi fana kathi. Oh my first one. Uyazaza ngithi. Uyazazi. Father of the nation. Ubaba ufana Christmas. Atraka mama baba. Baba 27. First born ka Bobina 43. First born. First born ka Bobina 43. No, hey daddy. Can you put on me your false teeth? I'm not coming back to the show next week. Next week, I need to find a new job. Oh, Bobby, I don't want that boy. No, yes, no. If first one got Bobby for the dream. Hi, oh, Bobby, you're telling me to I'm saying, I'm going to wheelchair. Who's the father? But not the grandfather. The father. Hey, this is my baby. This is my baby. Oh, my parent.
He still gets the job done.
My boy. Oh, my parent. Oh, Butuma. Umntwana kampene nomntwana ofana Wilson Pinkosi yazi inhloko Wilson laba bangathi uthola ibhethi Wilson Pinkosi ngathi uthola ibhethi
Goodie's literally on the floor. She's dead.
Imoto ka Wilson Pinkosi mayistakile uvula ibhethi afaka inhloko zovum
Sounds and stuff like that. Speaking of music industry, did you hear Oskido sold like a part of Kalawa?
Yeah, Oskido, I'm going to comment there on Oskido. Man, Wilson, that's all Wilson. I need to put this Chico. Naman, yeah, Chico. Romanos. Wilson, I want to go Wilson. Hi, la baba. Yes, la radio station is Ipetama Paralympic. Angit ngapi lo wenza breakfast una something yakhe Wilson B. La baba before metro iba khona beka khona yena. Asebenza metro ingekho. Ayiwana adlala ingoma zakathi. You're my first, my last, my end. Kusithethe the Wilson because inhloko ngathi ifont kababa yokufunda. Maruteri na yangena, uteri. Ubani lobeka maruteri? Mvangelo yini enza indaba ubani noma lena?
Asimazi.
Surprisingly. Makhumalo uvela i1 ngala shit lakhe eli purple wakhuphuka sathi ngathi awama nothobeka. Uthobeka uvumbuke no emhlobeni. Ublo baba. Wavumbuka nenye into. Yegwegwe. Nanguzain. Makashuta la. Bamphosile imali bathi hayi niyakula shit. Ababa excuse. Uthoko beka ngibona ngoTokyo uRamaphosa naye beka bambile. Ubani uthoko beka busy ngeFIFA ngithi akazi uthoka akho usho ukuthi kuFIFA or kuSAFA. Idihlo lakhe alikho usho ukuthi we're gonna win this thing. Watch the SAFA election. FIFA election. FIFA. Ramaphosa naye beka bambile munye mama bona Ramaphosa
With the dreadlocks, I said the wife.
No, unamedi.
Uku, no man, the light skinned. Yes, that's the wife. Yes. Motsepe. Yes.
Yeah, unaish lama no kumbe kama no pheke icele beka khona nomuntu wakhe umuntu kapheke icele une cleavage ngathi ama parent ngithi jama kuma no cleavage kamuntu kapheke icele ama parent the crown I can't bahlele Romino ngikhala ukudubulazi ngikhala ukuthi megawatts ekelana ukubhala ubaba inamba kune problem ubaba akabhalelwa inamba uBarack umbona uMusimayimani uyangichaza uvela thule eParliament abayeke babhede bonke abo Julius basukume nabo uMusimayimani ubani lo AFF lo wemba Floyd yeah Nakomera bulabula. Vele kuno mama unathi khuluma isiZulu athi saqala ukukhuluma ngibuze bathi asibuze namhlanje ngifuna ukubuza mina Mungameli bathi Mbatha sibuza athi ngifuna ukubuza amazulu anenkani amazulu ngibone zona ukuthi amazulu uma ngosela ngoba ngicela ukubuza Mbatha sibuza ngolosithathu cha mina ngifuna ukubuza manje into zenze manje ubuza manje amazulu awazikhuluma kanjani ngizozizwe manje elenkene abantu bashonile ngicela ukubuza manje Mbatha kodwa yonke into yenzeka manje angikuzwa mina uthini ngavota athi wavota ipasi lakhe livithikele isikhathi ngavota ngivotela lo mongameli washona lo othi akukhuluma manga athi lo mongameli wathi free at last but no what never okay hayi parliament ngicela le country ivalwe sizobuya next week ngolosithathu sibe right uzuma la khona ne la manje uyashawa uyashawa lithi ake ngishawe iphelele yonke lento akayazi mina naye nginobani ubona uyashawa uma lo mnyango uyashawa akazi unobani eruminate nginobani la yimi ubani wena ngedlala askis tonight catch me at Tutuza Fandak Tutuza abantu base Tutuza
I don't even know how to ask you anymore.
Tutuza mina khona ipepepe kule country hayi Tutuza namhlanje yabona mase bane pepepe wena plateau sobe silapana ipepepe umlomo bofu lo mlomo lo fana no
Urob Malinga
aye mana Say Tutuza tonight ora katlego shayiza zaka ring this out
I didn't say anything. Nix. Don't forget the podcast will be online, www.kfm.co.za. Hey, Maraskumba, I know.